Here are the top reasons why you need a Taoglas RJ45. Number 1, the compatibility. The RJ45 are pin-to-pin compatible with popular footprint across the industry. Number 2 is the speed. It portfolios covers high speeds from 10-100 and up to 10 gig speed. Number 3 is the configuration. Our series has a wide variety of selections, from the single row to dual stack, and also we have surface mount and vertical options. And number 4, lastly, it has the power over Ethernet up to 1.2 amp, which is equivalent to 100 watts. For more information, check out Taoglas.com.